I see the stars shine in your eyes, a little whisper in the midnight skies. I feel your touch, it's like a melody, a song of love, just you and me. You're my light in the darkest night, a burning fire, oh it feels so right. With every heartbeat I know it's true, I'll hold you close, I won't lose you. We were lost, now we're found, every moment spinning around. Like a dream we're flying high, like fireworks in the sky. Forever and ever we shine so bright, like fireworks lighting up the night. No matter what, I'm by your side. We'll fly together, hearts open wide. Your words are echoes deep inside, a silent promise we won't hide. Through every storm, through every fight, we'll find the way back to the light. You're the reason I still believe, you're the air that I can breathe. With you I know I'm alive, like a spark that never dies. We rise, we fall, but we hold on. With every step we grow so strong.